Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to set up Zoom lectures in Bruin Learn. Once Zoom has been added to your course, you can access Zoom from the course navigation in the left-hand column on your screen. Next, click the Schedule a New Meeting button, and this will take us to our setup page. The first thing you want to do is make sure you relabel your Zoom sessions in the Topics section to avoid any confusion, and please keep the name short so that the students have an idea of what is due on their to-do list. Now you can decide if you want this meeting to be a recurring meeting or a single meeting. Recurring meetings make it easier for your students to find their weekly lecture. In order to create a recurring meeting, click the Recurring Meeting checkbox. You can set how often the meeting recurs, the number of meeting occurrences, and the date for the final occurrence. Please make sure you double-check your security settings. By default, Zoom will enable a passcode and provide a random number for your password. Zoom will also enable the waiting room, which will let you control who enters your Zoom session. In the Alternative Host section, you could add anyone who you'd like to have host abilities in that Zoom session, which is particularly helpful if there are lectures in which you, the faculty, will not be present. When Zoom meetings are scheduled in Bruin Learn, students will see a notification under their To Do section on their homepage. Students can simply click on the Zoom link to access the Zoom meeting. Alternatively, as the course instructor, you can direct the students to click on the Zoom link on their left-hand navigation menu to access that Zoom meeting. As a third option, you can share the Zoom link with your students via email. Just make sure to copy and paste the link. To find the shareable link, click on the Zoom link on your left-hand navigation menu, click the Zoom session that you'd like to find the link for, copy the Zoom link, and paste it into your email or any other communication that you'd like the students to have.